Is that a good book? Are you reading it? What book are you reading? What book are you reading? Show me your book. Mm. You got a lot of books. Oh, there's another book. What's that book about? Does it have pictures? Hi, Eddie. You see Jewel on the phone? There she is. She's doing her books. She's going to go read one. She's going to go back and read one. Oh, she can get it. Come on, baby. You can get up there. Oh, I think she's tired. Come on, girl. There we go. There, she got up. Yeah, she did. She's going to read her book now. I love you, Jewel. Enjoy your book.